भाई करने की सत्यानाश है वो भी मेरे मुंह चलती एकदम पीछे वाली हो गया
I must catch you smiling. Yeah. What? Smile. You say, go. Okay? And just keep the nose very menacing. Yeah. And she's walking, just look at the action. And
Basile film, they do not like the release film. Yeah, that's the thing.
And laugh. Right. Sure? Yeah. Solo prima on the. Yeah, that's the one. Stop it. Yeah. Ready? Silence. What is your name? No. Ready? Last. Film मारेगा. अब film में. Ready? Ready. Start sound. Okay.
On the way.
Action.
कैसा लगा तुम्हारा मेरी सोच में इमरजेंसी पब्लिक पर मेरे प्यार के दरवाजे पर मेरी मोहब्बत की दहलीज पर जैसे आके कोई दस्तक दे गया हो I started shooting already. Rakshakun, no. Rakshakun was a little delayed. But now it's starting on schedule, like as what is planned recently in April. No.
This is officially
We're not really doing a Muhurat for that film. We did a puja in the south for that film. We've already done that. So we had Mr. Mohan Lal and some other producers and directors from the south present, and we had a lot of people, and we did a complete puja session there, and that's what in a way was a Muhurat. But we're not really having an official Muhurat.
this is the second model.
Yeah.
How does it feel?
It was very different from the one in the south, because I actually faced the camera saying a dialogue here for the first time. Because in the south film there wasn't really taking a shot or anything. It was just the people of the film, the crew and the actor and the actress, they just got together and did the puja and got the blessings, and that was it.
How good is your Hindi? Would you have a problem speaking Hindi lines?
No, actually school ke zamane se my Urdu has been very good, and my Hindi has still been okay. My Urdu has been very good from my school times, and that's what Mahesh Bhatt was telling me. He says if your Urdu is good, you shouldn't be crying about Hindi. But it's just that I'll have to get back in touch with it since I think in English. But hopefully I think it'll work out. It's not impossible.
You did Mr. Mahesh Bhatt before. How did this come around?
You know, when I got crowned Miss India, I told the press, I said I don't want to act as of right now. I don't want to get into acting. But if ever I wanted to do a film, I would do it with Mahesh Bhatt. And if he offered me a film, I'll do it with him. And I said that to the press that, you know, if Mahesh Bhatt offered me a film, I'd do it. And then he very sweetly replied back in another press article saying, if she agrees to do it, I'll write a script only for her.
What is your character?
My character in Dastak. In Dastak, I'm actually going to be, I'm very lucky that way that my first film is going to be me playing myself. Because as much as it's easier to do so, it's also very difficult. Because when you're playing a character, you're trying to mold yourself into somebody you're not. When you're trying to portray yourself, it's even more difficult because the way you are is not perfect, but it's not something that you want to see yourself on the screen as. So he's given me this opportunity to be myself throughout the film. And I'm playing Sushmita Sen, I'm playing this universe. And it's just a story about, it's actually a true life story of Jodie Foster. And about this obsessed fan. And what price does one have to pay for being a celebrity sometimes.
And in real life, what price do you have to pay for being a celebrity?
Well, I guess there's always a price to pay, but it doesn't, it's not as big a price as most people complain it is, because what I get back in return for it is something I'm very grateful about. So it's sometimes you feel like, oh my God, did I really have to do all this? Do I really want this and all of it? But you grow out of it when you have good times and you realize, oh no, I don't want to give that up.
बीच में
प्रसाद काय केलं इकडून आम्ही
Deadly man. Hey, Jagu. Deadly man. आप मुझे मत बोलिए।
चार से